First and foremost, every single customer at SailPoint is given a customer satisfaction rep or a customer service rep that's tied just to them. They're not salespeople like me.
Right on.
Their job is to be part of my customers' teams and to help them meet their goals. It's not a services intense product or platform, right?
Yeah.
It's configure it and let it run.
Yeah.
And because it's a microservice architecture and it's a true SaaS platform,
Right on.
there are no lift and shift upgrades. There is no downtime. We're constantly doing upgrades.
Right.
Constantly. Every week there's, many upgrades that are happening behind the scenes that now your traditional IT folks don't have to do. They don't have to wait for the weekend or downtime or pull it off production. Our upgrades are happening on the fly.
I like that. What I hear you saying is that, SailPoint is WYSIWYG. It's what you see is what you get, but it's also developmental and it's been predefined to a great extent so that you're not sitting there trying to create exotic or elaborate templates. I mean, it's coming to you with established behaviors that you can affect. It's largely already pre-created though, and you can work in that environment. It's not going to take a forklift to get going.
Exactly, and to add to that, not only is it not going to take a forklift to get it going, we have what we call predictive identity. It's our AI and ML modules that we can add into SailPoint. Now we can apply artificial intelligence to help us create roles, to help us with our provisioning, to help us with our access requests and our access controls.
Wow.
So once you throw AI and ML into the mix, the 100% job scope of an IT guy may now be 5 or 6%. We're going to get them 95% there.
Wow.
We're going to get them 96% there, 97% there at times.